Hello, my bachas, my class 2 students. How are you all? Happy? Huh? I think you all are studying, है ना? पढ़ाई हो रही है ना थोड़ी थोड़ी? Okay. So, हम लोगों ने numbers 1 to 100 पढ़ लिया. And we have studied addition also. Now we will learn about subtraction. Okay? Like how we subtract numbers, like from how we subtract 3 from 6. Okay, it is easy, like addition. You will find it interesting also. So little by little we will move forward and learn the subtraction. First we will learn subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Then we will move to subtraction of 3-digit numbers. And also, as you remember, we have learned addition with carrying over. Remember carrying over? In subtraction also we have subtraction with the carryover, with the 2 numbers as well as with the 3 numbers, like 3-digit numbers. So let's just get started. So students, this is your chapter 3, subtraction. What does subtraction means? Subtraction means taking away or minus smaller number from the bigger number and find out the difference. Subtraction means taking away or we minus smaller number from the bigger number, and what we get? We find the difference. We use this symbol to indicate minus. This is the symbol of minus. But whenever we will do subtraction, we will use this symbol. This is the symbol of minus. We read the number sentence as 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. We read it as 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Clear, students? The answer in subtraction is called difference. Now what the answer we get? Here we got 5 as the answer. So the answer we get in subtraction is called difference. So the difference between 8 and 3 is 5. This is the symbol of subtraction. This is called as minus. Now, subtraction can be done as a process of taking away, comparison, and backward counting. We can do subtraction in 3 ways: by taking away method, by comparison, and by backward counting method. So let's take all the 3 ways and learn how to do by 3 methods. First, we will start with taking away. So what do we do in taking away? Let's take an example. Hari has 6 apples with him. Leela took 2 from him. Now count the remaining apples. So suppose a boy named Harry has 6 apples with him. His friend Leela took 2 from him. Now we have to count the remaining apples. So what we will do, students? We will write 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Harry has 6 apples. We have to minus. Whenever it is asked remaining apples, we have to minus it. Whenever in the question it is asked remaining, we will do minus, subtraction. Okay? So what we find? We find 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. We know we take away 2 from 6. What we get? We get 4. So that is the difference of 6 minus 2. 4 is the difference of 6 minus 2. Now we write it as 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay? We write this as 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This is the method of taking away. We are doing subtraction by taking away method. Now let's go to comparison method. So how we can do subtraction from comparison method? Let's take an example. Suppose there are 10 butterflies in a branch. Okay, in a tree there are 10 butterflies. After few minutes, 4 butterflies flew away. So there were 10 butterflies in a branch of a tree, and after few minutes, 4 butterflies flew away. To be put in words, we write it as 10 minus 4. We have already studied this. We write as 10 minus 4. Now to find the difference, what we do, we count the remaining. How many butterflies are left on the branch? 10 were there, 4 flew away. So 6 are left now. We get 6 butterflies are remaining. So 6 is the difference of 10 minus 4. Clear, students? We compare 10 minus 4. We get 6. Remaining, we count the remaining butterflies left on the branch. Okay, this is the method of comparison. We are doing subtraction by comparison method. Now next method was by backward counting. Okay, so in this backward counting, we are going to use the method of using number array. This is also a method of doing subtraction. So in backward counting method, we use number array. Now what is a number array? In a number array, we draw a straight line and we write the numbers in it. Now let's take an example. Suppose, what is the difference of 14 minus 7? We don't know the difference of 14 minus 7. We will take out the answer by using backward counting method. Okay, students? So what we do in this method by using number array, first we draw a straight line. Okay, now we write numbers starting from 0 to 15. Okay, we have written numbers from 0 to 15. Now point out to the 14. We have to find the difference between 14 and 7 now. So first we will see where is 14. We can see here is 14. We will circle this. We will point 14 and circle this. Now we will move 7 steps backward. Count to 7. We will jump 7 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now stop here. When we reach 7 backward count, we will stop and we will circle this. The number we got is 7. We have got 7 by backward counting 7. Why we have done 7 steps backward? Because it is written minus 7. So what we did? We did 7 backward steps counting. Okay, now we have reached 7. So what we get, 14 minus 7 is equal to what? We get 7 as the answer because we have stopped in 7. So 7 is the answer. We stopped at 7. So 7 is the difference between 14 minus 7. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. We get 7 as the number. Now I have 2 more examples for you, students. I hope you will do it by using any method. You will use any method by doing, we have studied 3 methods: taking away, by comparison, and by backward counting. You use any method and find out the difference between 18 minus 6 and 16 minus 4. I hope, students, you have understood this subtraction. What is subtraction? What is the symbol of subtraction? What is called the answer that we get in subtraction? How we can do subtraction by using taking away method, by using comparison method, by using backward counting method. So I have given you 2 examples. You will find out the difference by using any method. Okay, students? So find out the answer and tell me what is the answer. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Take care and think high.